Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Hannes coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside,
brand new
inside,
banger.
inside.
Why you doing, John Cross?
Another one.
But as usual, guys, right before getting out, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, so quick kick off the first video now.
Some real shit. My 8 time these look a big stinking parents. Oh! Compound people page. I love talk about, oh, are your kids this? And look into yourself. And this, bitch, me nah no kids. And me's not on a blood clot picnic parents. Uno go and breed and have on a picnic. Uno go set the example. Be the road muggle, be the mago, the all of the duh. For no one picnic them. Don't expect me for blood clot do it. Uno don't uno mama blood clot with me. And come talk about kids. Listen, me not no kids. Again, me not no kids. You understand me? Go and set the right example for you motherfuckers, kids. Don't expect we celebrity or people supposed to set that example for uno picnic. And uno breed go do it. Go and do it. Don't expect me to do it. Don't come on my page and come tell me what me post from what me no post or what me do, bitch. Them dead. Why you do it, John Cross?
Alright, peeps, so pretty much in the video with Dovey Magnum a kick off and a blaze up fire. Apparently some parent must go over there and comment and say watch where she a post and or video them and ray and stuff like that, and saying that yo she's a role model, so she needs to set a good example. But even though Dovey Magnum go hard still, she have a point still. You know what I mean? It's no celebrity or role model role to set an example for your children. Are you supposed to do it because you grow your child? And furthermore, you can't really stop kids to go up on social media nowadays. All the children them have phone and things. So they might go up on sites, they might go up on pages where they're not supposed to really go over still. You know what I mean? But somebody really get Dovey Magnum bringle in the day and thing. But you have a point. I may understand also from the parent side to where the parent are come from too. But me understand also from Dovey Magnum side still. But really at the end of the day, I really the parent still, you know what I mean? But there's so much the parent can actually do when when the child is not around really. It gonna stop this because you don't know everything what the child do and thing. And I Dovey Magnum page, so warning to everybody, and everybody know who Dovey Magnum is and the type of content she put up there still. But anyway, peeps, let me know what your thoughts in the comment section down below. Next video now.
Never know violence till I go to my father, you see. My mother always have the love and the care, the gentleness, the time to spend. My Scarlet Cane and they have that. But when I go to my father now, he never have that to spend with me. So if I know everything people tell him take it and beat me, do me a whole heap of things. He's an ex-soldier, so I get a whole lot of that anger there and frustration out and me understand. Worst memory, my father tie me up and beat me and soak me in salt and pepper, you know? Worst memory that. Up until today it grieve me, hear that? Yeah, but I just know say I'm a old man still, I see it. Yeah, part of life, but we can't get that out of the way, you know? Because for your father even beat a son and even soak him in salt and pepper, you know them things, they're a cool thing, you see it? But through we grow and come know love, and we find love within ourselves. We're not even to have back them thought there, church them thought if you know some old man, it really do me them thing, you see it? Yeah, but the worst thing that could have really happened to me in my life still, my old man beating me with electric wire, you know? Soaking me in salt and water, you see it? Yeah, but a joy in them days are still a joy now, you see it? The joy never stop coming on my soul, because I use the inner man, you know? That's why I can sing to her and tell her, say, yo, 'cause this is love. And it's songs of redemption from you. Redeem yourself, there is no condemnation, and it's love. And it heals my frustration. Sons of this nation sing these songs of redemption, and it's love. With songs of redemption from you. Redeem yourself, there is no condemnation, and it's love. And it heals my frustration. Sons of this nation sing these songs of redemption. Songs of redemption, well, it free my mind. When I was in darkness, then redemption shine. Songs of redemption, it make me feel fine. So never you for...
Never.
Jano. Yo, that rough. And you hear the man say? Alright, let me tell you the story what I go on. This is a man where did get locked up in a jail because something happened between him and him baby mother back then, and him, unfortunately, she lost her life, so him a doing time. You know what I mean? So he must share the history, what led him to take up violence, and pretty much it has stemmed from him father and how him father usually treat him, because him father was an ex-soldier. You know what I mean? So he must say him father run with anything where people tell him on the street, and him take out him frustration. And he went on to even share his worst memory when him father beat him out of electric wire and soak him in a salt, brother, and pepper. Yo, that rough. So you take that to heart in my mind. You take that to heart, and then that lick the man head. You know what I mean? And I keep on I tell no people say this is one of the most influential time in a person's life is when they're young. And what you do to them, what you say to them, and what they see reflects a lot of the future. How they become in some way and stuff like that. And yo, children they need no love nowadays still. I understand where I come from still, because me go through some bull too, you know what I mean? Even my people, them how them deal with me still, but you don't know, you know what I mean? Feel thing hotter than mine. But fathers and mothers, they play a vital role in our children's life. Watch how they treat them, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, you don't know what will happen. You know what I mean? But the good thing about that, I'm honest still. You learn from your mistakes, and the man a pre-love positiveness for life and all them things there. Some of us are hope when he come out. You know what I mean? Him just stick on that thing there. I like faith. I like when I say like him take all of that and him just channel that in a music. And you can see it on him face. You can see the tears are running down his eye. And how he truly feel, you know? About the matter and thing. Yeah. It's rough. But glad he make it through, you know what I mean? So alright peeps, you see next clip I'm gonna show you now. What accident happened on Trafalgar Road yesterday. And I can't really show you everything because of YouTube or YouTube state. But I'm gonna show you a little piece. But I can show you, and then I'll show you the rest of everything and what caused it. Alright, Trafalgar Road right in front of us.
But this is going here, so Trafalgar Road, right up Pulse.
My head was down in my car.
Boom, what? What's your man?
You're okay, sir?
Alright?
Wow, look what's happening. We need to call GPS or something. Oh Lord. We need to call Jesus. GPS. Like this shit, no, no, yeah, just get over before that transformer that go up. Oh, that car and the accident and I fire.
So on a plan for move. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Bruh.
Alright peeps, you see all of them clip there. One accident happened on Trafalgar Road and it look like something must go pull one of the wire them. And so one of the pole them. Like piece of the video I couldn't show no, cause you know YouTube and YouTube stay. And so the wire them must pull some, the pole must go down on one of the wire them cause it's a big accident. One taxi they on top of all of one car right in front of us. I don't know that man. But one of the pole them in the road must draw respond one of the wire them and it pull some other thing, and then what happens is, you know, wire start rub on one another. You know what I mean? That's why them separate them, and that can cause a sparks, and the whole of Trafalgar Road, all of the light wire them start just burn up and all them things. That dangerous because if that the lick that transformer there, problem.
Of the 32,617 students who sat the CSEC, only 9,234 passed 5 or more subjects with English and math. Maths.
Let me take all this bomb bucket here for repair. You know, that's trouble, you know. Yeah, trouble there, you boy.
We are gonna kill your blood clot. We are gonna murder your blood clot. We are gonna kill you.
Alright peeps, hope you enjoy them video there and ting. Yeah, why Dovey Magnum go all out pan them. She had make you know say she no respond so no pick me. She never tell us for being she want be a role model. She tell us say no have job that. A situation there on Trafalgar Road. You know what I mean? Nobody not hurt like that still. And you know what I mean? I'm glad nobody not lose them life. And my brother will share my experience. You know what I mean? Good luck. And I just hope you just stick on the positive part there. You know what I mean? It's a very deep and interesting interview, you know what I mean? As I say, something we can look into, you know what I mean? Especially as parents. And thing and so, but anyway peeps, don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. Yeah, Sinus Gaming rebooted. 8,000 now we strong over here. I don't know why it's so hard for you to crossover now, man. Click the link up here, so man, see it here. Support your boy, man, on the new platform. Support your boy. Yeah. Well, anyway, peeps, thank you very much for watching. Big up on yourself. And just go and journey with your boy. Happy Wednesday too. Shoo!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the